Have you ever dreamt of a world where your finances danced in perfect harmony? No more scrambling for receipts. No more late-night battles with spreadsheets. Just beautiful, organized bliss. Well, my friend, cloud accounting software promises just that. But with a plethora of options, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a financial jungle. Today, we're focusing on Zoho Books, a popular contender in the ring. But before you jump in, a crucial question arises. How long is the free ride? Fear not, fellow finance warriors, because in this video, we'll decode the mysteries of Zoho Books' free plan, its features, limitations, and everything in between. Free forever? The truth about Zoho Books' free plan. Let's address the elephant in the room. Can you truly use Zoho Books for free, forever and ever? The answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced it depends. Zoho Books offers a freemium model, meaning they have a free plan with limited features and paid plans with additional functionalities. The good news? The free plan can be your forever financial companion, as long as your business stays below a specific annual revenue threshold. This threshold varies by region, but in many places it sits around $50,000. So, for budding entrepreneurs and freelancers just starting out, Zoho Books' free plan can be a fantastic springboard. But what can you actually do with the free plan? Now, imagine a delicious free buffet, but with a few limitations. That's the free plan in a nutshell. You get a taste of Zoho Books' core features, but not the full gourmet experience. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Invoicing. Create and send invoices, a crucial function for any business. However, there's a limit. You can typically generate up to 1,000 invoices per year on the free plan. So, if you're a high-volume invoicer, you might need to upgrade eventually. Basic accounting. Record income and expenses, categorize transactions, and generate basic reports. This lets you keep your finances organized and gain some financial insights. Inventory management. Limited track a small number of inventory items. This is helpful for businesses with a limited product range. Customer management. Store basic customer information for easy invoice creation. Limitations to consider. No free lunch in the accounting world. Remember the free buffet analogy? Here's where those limitations kick in. The free plan won't cater to every business need. Here are some key restrictions to be aware of. Limited features. You won't have access to more advanced features like project management, bank reconciliation, or advanced inventory management. User limits. Often, the free plan restricts the number of users who can access the software. This might not be ideal for growing teams. Storage constraints. Free plans often come with limited storage space, which can become an issue if you have a lot of financial data. Upgrading to paid plans. When the free plan becomes a stepping stone. As your business flourishes, you might find the free plan becoming a bit too restrictive. That's when Zoho Books paid plans come into play. They offer a graded approach with increasing features and functionalities as you move up the pricing ladder. Here's a quick glimpse. Standard plan. Ideal for growing businesses, it offers higher invoice limits, more users, and additional features like bank reconciliation and project management. Professional plan. Caters to established businesses with advanced inventory management, automation tools, and deeper reporting functionalities. Is Zoho Books' free plan right for you? So, the big question, should you dive into the free plan? Here's my take. Perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs. If you're just starting out and have a simple business model, the free plan can be a fantastic way to manage your finances without breaking the bank. Limited use for growing businesses. As your business scales, the limitations of the free plan might become apparent. Consider upgrading to a paid plan when your needs outgrow the free version. Ultimately, the best plan for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Zoho Books' free plan is a great option to get your feet wet in the world of cloud accounting. But remember, it's a starting point, not a permanent solution for every business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.